Shana.
It's so shiny. Hello. How are you? It is day 2 of quarantine, and we are going to open this box. Who's inside? Who's inside? Oh, what's his name?
It starts with a P.
Is it Psyduck?
No.
Are you sure it isn't Psyduck?
Sidekick starts with S.
No. Psyduck starts with P actually. It's a silent P.
No. Yes.
Yes. Welcome. Huh? Who's this? We are going to unbox this Funko Pop Pikachu. And remember, folks, Pika Pika is a valid response to any question.
Why? Is that a new
Rule.
yeah.
Pika Pika. Alright. Okay, so you can see
No.
it is very nice likeness of Pikachu.
And there's another Pikachu.
Yeah, on your head. Yeah. This is the back. It's a Funko Pop. Alright.
And he's hiding.
He's hiding. Now we're gonna open the box. You
Uh,
wanna do the honors? Show them your t-shirt. Alright.
this one is the middle. Pikachu is in the middle.
Alright. Okay.
So,
Sit down.
open it?
Yep. Open the box.
Okay.
We already opened this, you know,
Yeah.
for the birthday party. And it's okay.
Take it out. You take it out. And then I'll take Pikachu out.
Alright.
Okay?
As we are going to be super careful not to break anything that might. Ah! Look, it's a base. It's a base we can put Pikachu on. You put it on.
Me? I'm not good at this.
Huh? Well, I'll help you out.
Oh.
You might break it.
Oh.
Did you break it?
No.
Well, let's not go there.
You do it. Because I'm bad.
Nah, it's okay.
I'm bad at doing it.
No.
I'll keep this until this
Yeah.
this
Just don't
video ends.
Experience.
I'll keep this until the video ends, okay?
Alright. No problem.
Also this one.
Okay. Guess that's fine.
I'll just put it down here.
And now we have ta-da! Pikachu. Pika Pika. Pika? Pika! Pika Pika. It's a very nice likeness of Pikachu. You like it?
Yeah.
This is his back.
His back
Yep, look at those. How many stripes does he have on his back?
on his stripes. 1, 2.
Two stripes. Sit down, Lopez.
I'm just announcing it.
I don't know. And see his lightning bolt tail? So cute.
Hey,
We'll take a closer look at him, okay?
hey Dad.
What?
Pikachu evolves into Raichu, right?
Yes, you told me.
I'm gonna show
Your cards?
yeah.
For sure. Pikachu, look at that. Look at that likeness. Isn't that the most adorable Pokemon you've ever seen?
But now
Wait a minute.
I don't like Fat Pikachu.
Fat Pikachu.
This is a Fat Pikachu.
Come here. I can't see you. Come here. Sit down.
And show the Raichu, Pikachu, and Pikachu.
Alright.
You can get these in like Dollarama, but they're sold out.
They're sold out, and it's very hard to get Pikachu off those boxes that are closed off. I mean, they're like surprise packages, right?
Yeah, like.
But we did get a Pikachu.
Yeah.
We got a Pikachu, right?
We have 3 Pikachus. We have 3
Come here.
Pikachus.
I think we have more than 3. See? We're just gonna put this here so you can see the likeness, the uncanny resemblance with the Funko Pop, what they did. Pika!
And look, another Pikachu.
Yep. Got lots of Pikachu cards. These are the ones we got from the specifically Pikachu box set.
You should have said that.
Look! Pika! That's the Raichu. He evolves into Raichu. I just don't know if Ash's Pikachu will eventually evolve. Yeah, he hasn't evolved yet.
And I like Pikachu evolving.
Well, he's...
But this one is a Alolan Raichu.
Oh, it's an Alolan Raichu.
Look, it says Alolan. And look, it doesn't have to walk. It can fly on its tail. But these Pikachus have to walk.
Oh, they're Ash's Pikachu. Can you hold him for us? That is such a beaut. Do you like the Pikachu?
Yeah.
Love? And that is the Funko Pop Pikachu. Isn't that right, Pikachu?
Pika.
Pika.